Alright folks, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to trade gold. Alright, we're going to take a look at why you should be trading gold, why it's so important, especially right now in these crazy times that we're living in, and most important, I'm going to show you why gold is a day trader's paradise. Okay, the volatility, especially over the last couple of trading sessions, has been through the roof on gold. Okay, so let's get right into it. There are three ways to trade gold. All right, you can trade Forex gold, you can trade futures gold, and you can trade stock gold. I believe there's a gold index. Okay, but my personal favorite of all the three happens to be the Forex version of gold. Don't ask me why, but it's my opinion that the signals look very clean, very obvious, and it's not open to a lot of subjectivity. Okay, it's very, very objective. So that's the chart you see right now, XAUUSD. But again, if you follow along in futures, your symbol is GC. If you trade stocks, I believe your symbol is GLD. That's the stock gold index. And of course, if you didn't already know, folks, this green and red color band that you see overlaid onto the gold chart, this is my proprietary volume-based indicator. It does one thing and one thing only. All right, it's designed to illustrate for you who's in control at any one moment in time. Okay, when it's red, that tells you the sellers are in control, and when it's green, it tells you the buyers are in control. Make sense? So the last couple of weeks, man, I've been watching gold like a hawk. I've been absolutely stalking this market, looking for very good setups, something that I consider to be low risk, high probability setups, the way that I define that. And gold has been absolutely on fire. All right, I can promise you this, gold has not let me down in terms of the very powerful and accurate symbols, and that's why I'm doing this video for you guys, trying to get you to keep an open mind. I know a lot of you guys have your favorites like the S&P and the NAS and the GBP and so on, or Facebook and Tesla, right, for you stock traders. But I'm telling you, you're going to see in this video why gold is a day trader's dream. All right, so today, we got a long signal at exactly 7:05 a.m. Why was it a long signal? Well, as you can see here, in fact, let's just go ahead and zoom in. All right, this volume indicator turned green. All right, it turned green right on the nose. And folks, as you may or may not know, I'm really, really digging the retracement pattern. Okay, if you don't know anything about retracement patterns, what I'm going to show you right now is just going to blow your mind, and I challenge you to put it to work starting tomorrow and see if you notice a significant difference in filtering out only the best setups. All right, what does a retracement pattern look like? Let me show you right now. Okay, a retracement pattern looks like this. Market goes up, comes down a little bit, aka giving you the retracement, and then takes off like a monster. All right, so this pattern that you see right here that I just drew is in essence what every retracement pattern is going to look like. All right, this is the bullish example. Flip this around for a bearish example. But since we're looking at a bullish example right now, let's go ahead and apply this logic, okay, of a retracement into today's gold price action. So the first leg of the move gives us the direction, right? That's leg one. Then leg two is this retracement. Makes sense? And then boom, leg three is when the market takes off. Does this make sense, folks? Tell me if it doesn't. All right, I hope it does. We're not exactly doing brain surgery here. All right, and how you'd potentially look for a very good entry with an appropriate stop loss is you'd want to wait for the first bar color match. What does that mean? Well, you see this bar right here, right? You see how this is the first green bar to close as the retracement was underway, right? And it also matches the color of the vol. That's what I mean when I say color match. You follow? So your potential entry, if you were thinking about going long, you would want to start thinking about going long on the open of the next bar, but you got to wait for this bar to close. Make sense? Then you would definitely need a logical area and where to place the stop. Stop goes 1 or 2 ticks or pips underneath the signal bar. Does this make sense? Okay, very simple strategy, folks. All right, we're not trying to make things complicated and cluttered and confusing. Okay, when I look at a chart, I want to know within seconds of looking at that chart, what does a long signal look like? What does a short signal look like? Where do my stops go? That's all I care about, okay? And if you're too busy looking at 50 million squiggly lines on your chart and your Bollinger Bands and your stochastics and all your other garbage, well, here's what happened to you. You missed a significant volume print from today. Okay, guys, this is from today. All right, let me go ahead and squish this in. I mean, just look at this bull run on gold. It just ripped, okay, pretty much the entire morning session. Let me also show you last week's, man. Last week's going to really flip you out. Look at this. Look at this move on gold from last week. Isn't that nuts? Okay. So, look, guys, I wanted to do a quick video explaining to you why gold has been on fire. But frankly speaking, I don't even think it matters why, right? It's not up to us. We don't influence world economic and news events, right? Me and you can't do that, okay? But what we can do, a heck of a lot better than all those retail trading dummies out there and all those people that are using their candlesticks, is we can do a much, much better job of using real volume-based price action to look for good trading setups. Make sense? So I hope now you can finally realize for yourself why a volume-based indicator is so powerful. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.